because the opportunity is still there. And the effort to do something about these things is not that much. It's just that they have not been done, so it appears like it is impossible.
Unenchira yamo yogo kinia sekta yoboremi na se county ya Kericho nigo mugavana we county yo Erikimutai achorire kamati y'abantu 11 abo barachikorigereria obotumeki we machine chogotore chae nabo igo okoenanwa kwemeremu asabasae ase sekta yo.
Their lease expired. Who renewed their lease? The people of Kericho were never consulted that the lease of these people has expired. So yes, the lease were renewed without consulting the owner of the farm on how you want the lease terms to look like. Number two, the question of the land rates. The debate is what they are paying us is peanuts. There is no farm in this county of Kericho that is now being leased at around 264 shillings. Even a nigger in the village, the deepest end of the village, is now 7,000 Kenya shillings. And it doesn't make